Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can get an iPhone 13 for free. Right, a lot of you might think, hey, this is clickbaity, this might seem like something fishy. Not at all. We at MacPrize are giving away one iPhone 13. Now, if you haven't watched the giveaway video, make sure that you check that out. We've told about the giveaway. But here I am to tell you, you now have more chances to win the same giveaway. How? Well, we've basically opened up new entries, and these new entries will allow you to increase your chances of winning an iPhone 13. So what do you have to do? First and foremost, go to the giveaway page from the link given down below in the description so you can start to attempt the tasks for the new entries. Now, a lot of you might think that, hey, this is tedious and what does this help me with? Well, simple. If you have more entries in contest, your chances of winning in the contest are more. Simple as that. And by the way, we are using Gleam, so it's a pretty transparent process. Every time you do a task, you're going to get a notification. You're going to know that yes, I have gotten that extra entry. And we want you to get those extra entries. Why? First and foremost, this tells us that you genuinely watch our content, you follow us on social media accounts, and we know that you guys are the people who are running our social media accounts more and more. So what do you need to do? Well, you have these entries open only for 24 hours. Go to the link given down below in the description and attempt these entries. Now, those of you who've missed the secret code have also asked us when we will be releasing new secret codes. Well, it's simple. We will be releasing new secret codes very soon on our Instagram channels, on our Twitter. So make sure that you follow us there. Again, links are given down below in the description so that you know when these codes are released. A lot of you guys have missed these codes and we don't want that to happen again. Obviously, these codes are time-based and cannot be used many times. So make sure that you stay tuned and you follow us everywhere. Also, these entries, they will make up for the lost entries that you might have gotten with the code. So make sure that you go check out the giveaway right now. Now, let's say you've done all of this and you still want more entries, you still want something more. Then let me guide you towards our Thor giveaway. Now, a lot of you might think, hey, another giveaway? Well, now, if you like Thor, there's nothing like it because this Thor giveaway is going to get you an exclusive gift box. Gift boxes are awesome and very, very special. And need I remind you, they're exclusive. That means you're going to have one of the only few that are being given to people. So what do you have to do? Again, link is down in the description. Go sign up. But wait, how does this help you with your iPhone 13? Simple as that. If you win the Thor giveaway, by the way, there are going to be 3 winners for the Thor giveaway. If you win the Thor giveaway, you are going to get a special secret code that is only being given to the Thor giveaway winners. And this secret code will help you get extreme additional entries for the iPhone 13 giveaway. So make sure that you go sign up on that giveaway because let me tell you, that would be a golden ticket. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys receive the extra entries and the codes when they come out. And I wish you all luck to win the iPhone 13. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.